Hey everyone, how awesome is this? Jumping rope. So close to the sea, easy to hear the waves crashing, but far enough to stay out of reach. I've been jumping rope here for about 30 minutes and I'm about to finish my jump rope session for today. And I want to record this as much for me as for you guys. I just want to remember how beautiful it was here and just remember what I did on this day. So what I've been doing was double under boxer skip ladder. So basically I do the boxer skip for about 5 seconds. I count in my mind, and then I do one double under before going back to the boxer skip for 5 seconds, and then I add another double under, so 2 double unders. I keep repeating that until I get to 10 double unders, and that's one set. And I chill out, I just enjoy the scenery for a little while. The 5 seconds is kind of like my time just to cool down, recover, and get prepared for the next set of double unders. So here goes. What a day. Nice way to finish.